Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to disassemble the Canon EOS 350D camera to get access to the memory card reader. Recently I had this camera with a bent memory card reader pin, so I had to disassemble the camera, repair the memory card reader and then assemble the camera. In this video I show you how to disassemble the camera. I have another video about assembling the camera. You can find a link in the description below. It is important to put the screws where they originally came from. And let me share you a trick which I use to remember where the screws were. I use a paper which is divided into sections and I name those sections by the sides of the camera. Then I place the screws in those sections by their positions relative to each other. In this video you can see that, but I have another video about disassembly and assembly of a Canon 50D, which I show you how to do it. Link is in the description below. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to disassemble the camera. I will use a PH30 screwdriver, plastic spudger, metal tweezers, pliers with teeth, soldering gun and the soldering pump. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. So this is the camera which needs to be repaired. Remove the battery and the battery door. Remove the screws from the bottom, back, top, sides and the front of the camera. After the screws have been removed, carefully remove the back panel of the camera. It is connected with two flat cables to the PCB. Remove the side cover. Remove the front cover using a plastic spudger tool. Disconnect those flat cables and cables that remove the top panel of the camera. The middle shielding should be removed using a soldering gun, desoldering pump and metal tweezers. Disconnect the remaining cables from the PCB. Remove the screws from the PCB. Remove the cover of the CF card reader with the metal tweezers. Now we have access to the CF pin, so we can bend it back to its correct position. We finished disassembling the camera. Join me in the next video where I show you how to assemble the camera. Link in the description below. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.